Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new chapter, soils. We are going to discuss about different types of soil, but at first we need to know the definition of soil. As you know, soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. Actually, soil is the loose material that covers the land surface. Soil is the basic resource as it helps to grow a variety of crops. Different types of soils are there. At first, we are going to discuss about alluvial soil. Alluvial soil consists of fine silt transported by rivers from the mountains and deposited in plains. It is a very fertile soil. It is found in parts of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and the eastern and western coast of India. The main crops grown in this soil are wheat, rice, sugarcane, jute, etc. Black soil. It is known as black soil because of its color, right? It is also known as black cotton soil because it is very suitable for growing cotton. This is found in Maharashtra and parts of Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh. It is known as black lava soil because it is found in the region made up of volcanic rocks. Okay. Red soil. Look at the color. Red soil is red in color because it contains a large quantity of iron oxide. It is found in Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka, southeastern Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. The main crops grown in this soil are tobacco, cotton, millets and oilseeds. Okay. Come to the next point, desert soil. This type of soil is found in desert regions where the amount of rainfall is very low. It is found in the parts of Rajasthan in India. A few shrubs and cactus are found in this region. Most shrubs have long roots and few or no leaves. Mountain soil. Mountain soil is found in the Himalayan region. It is very suitable for the cultivation of plantation crops. For examples, tea, coffee, etc. Laterite soil. Laterite soil is found in the tropical regions where the rainfall amount is very high. It is reddish brown in color. Laterite soil is found in Western Ghats and Chotanagpur Plateau in India. Now we are going to discuss about soil erosion. What do you mean by soil erosion? The loss of soil from the surface of the ground is called soil erosion. Soil is carried away by rain, water and strong winds. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of the soil. But by planting plants and trees, soil erosion can be reduced. The roots of plants and trees bind the soil together. To increase the fertility of the soil, we can use fertilizers. Okay. So here I close the chapter for today. All of you revise the chapter properly. Thank you. Have a good day.